God, that looks silly. Okay, so we're gonna do one more sound check. With the KH1 here. Got your strap locks installed. And this strap you can have. I'm going to turn it down a little bit just so you can kind of hear better. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with volume down almost all the way, and we're going to work the tone controls and everything here, one pickup at a time. So we'll start with the front pickup, and in true Gibson style, if both volumes are all the way down and you only have the selector in any of the positions, nothing works. So in the front position you have to have a little bit, excuse me, when it's in the middle and you turn any one volume all the way down, your sound goes away altogether. So up on top, here's our top volume. It's very responsive. It's a very robust sound. I'm going to crank the tone all the way back. There's all your bass. Oh, crackle, crackle. When you go into the coil tap, it gets a lot brighter. Go back to regular. But so it's, you know, more of that kind of bluesy Gibson sound. Then we rock over to the middle pickup. We'll blend about half, about 3 on the back. And we'll start bringing in that back pickup. So like super cleans it up. We can roll off the front pickup. And that's more just the back pickup by itself. So when you go to when you go to 9/10 on the front pickup and you got the back one all the way up, there's like this massive jump in tone. You hear that? So that's why I was saying the other day, you don't really want to run that on all the way up on 9 or 10 unless you're on that pickup all by itself, where it may even drown out this rear pickup. You can coil tap it still. See, that's very Santana sound. You know, I'm no solo player or nothing, but you can tell that frets work all the way up, no buzzing. It's got a really good sound. I just love these two pickups together more than any guitar. And there's that last 2-digit pump on both controls. It's just really throws it up over the top. Alright, we're going to the back pickup position. We'll roll it back a little bit. it's not quite as loud as the front pickup. It has a little bit more of a, that kind of sound to it. It's very balanced. And then when everybody wants to hear, and then some different effects here. It's a bunch of chorus. And then throw some dirty on it. That's both of them together. Just sounds so awesome. Here's back with it. Roll up onto the front. Front pickup on coil tap. And I'm not playing with a pick either, I'm just flapping my finger at it. All the way on the back pickup. And then again, the two of them together. Sounds great in drop D. That's my original song right there. You can't steal that. So yeah, like it fucking rocks. Those are locks on the back here. Locking tuners. Thumb locks, right? Alright, so it sounds freaking great. You'll be playing it soon. Bye.